Hi, this is John with Hilbrands Carpet Care. I'm going to show you a typical carpet cleaning. It's not overly dirty, but you can see the power of our equipment. The truck mount there and the steam and the water pressure and how it comes out so nice and clean and why we have such great reviews. So having a really good machine is paramount to doing a good job. And you can see the steam coming off of the wand. You can hear the high pressure water rinsing that dirt free. And you can see the suction pulling that dirt out to the truck. I'll go over things multiple times, and I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me, but hopefully you get the gist of it. I'm going to go over it again in between takes, but and also do a suction, just a dry pass, so it'll come out nice and dry for you guys. But you can see, if you have something, then a little extra wand movement will make that come out cleaner. Here's another view, and you can actually see the dirt of the foreground and how it's changing to a much lighter color. You have to see through my shoes, but hopefully I can control it a little better two-handed here. And I want you to see that we tend to work more on the dirty areas. And also you can see that vacuum pass that I just made. So let's show you the end view of the carpet cleaning. And then you'll see what it looks like when we finish. And then you'll also, if you're in the Temecula area, you can give me a call. Thank you.